Toastmaster Pat and fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. See, I think today who are coming as a guest, this is not a regular meeting because we have two education sessions. We have humorous speech as well as the evaluation contest. Because next week our club level we have a contest. To give something to our members to participate in the contest, that's why we are conducting the education session. Whatever details J.K. has given, there is a humorous part. Whatever Dr. Rao is me conducting the serious part. Because evaluation is a backbone of Toastmasters. And who are experiencing this 2.5 hours of meeting, we see each and every role is playing as an evaluation role. Whether it's a grammarian, a accountant, or a timer, everybody is giving feedback about the who are speakers are coming in here. And also there are evaluators, they give a speech, after speech evaluation. Now I don't want to give how you have to prepare for the evaluation, because you are seeing every meeting we have 4 or 5 evaluations. All senior Toastmasters from our club are giving evaluation from the various projects. By this time you know what is evaluation. But what I want to give here is, when you are participating in the contest, because now I am seeing a lot of our club members having rhythm, because today I am seeing all our role players, Hemant, Sudha and Suganya, all are youngsters. And all who are playing major roles are very senior people. So that is a rhythm I am seeing. So it's a very good sign of our club. So what I want to give is, because of new Toastmasters, new members, they are participating very enthusiastically. I think last time I saw VP Education, they are preparing a lot of lists. Everybody is participating in humorous speech as well as the evaluation contest. So I want to give what is actually contest with respect to TMI point of view, how they are judging, all those things. See, I think how many of you know Toastmasters are completing 90th year this year? Excellent. So 90 years back, Dr. Lawrence Mackey started this Toastmasters International in the basement of the this thing, California, and it has been spread across the world, and we have so many clubs in South India, Tamil Nadu and Colombo, we have 250 clubs. So I am happy to say this is one of the best clubs, because we have got Golden Glove continuously 6 years. So now coming to my thing, how I want to cover this session. I don't want to take much time, because I don't want to be in between this session and your lunch. So what I am going to do is, I am going to cover three simple things in this session. One is, what are the speech contests in a Toastmasters International, and coming to the evaluation contest, because I am taking on the evaluation contest, what are the judging criteria, how they are following judging criteria in the evaluation contest, and what are the ballot ranking and ethics. I think these are the new terms for the new Toastmasters who have joined maybe last 6 months or 8 months in this club. Speech contest. What is it for me? Because as a member joined, I am paying fee every 6 months. Every Sunday I am coming here. I am spending my valuable time, 2.5 hours or 3 hours here. I am learning communication leadership skills. Why I have to participate in the speech contest? So that is the question, isn't it? How many are having that question now? Why I have to participate in the contest? You are a senior Toastmaster. What about you? So you will not. So one important thing when I went through, because I am preparing this session, so I also got a question, because even though I am DTM and I am senior Toastmaster and all those things, I used to think why I have to participate in the contest. That's the traditional Toastmasters. So traditional Toastmasters is it's empowering its members to achieve their potential, realize their dreams, courage themselves to change. To achieve your potential, I think you are coming and playing role players, and you are meeting by meeting, you are improving. Realizing your dreams, I want to become a competent communicator, I want to become a competent leader. That is your realizing your dreams. But when you get an opportunity, courage to change yourself, that's the only contest. Because what happened in Toastmasters, every year there are more than 30,000 Toastmasters competing in each and every contest. Because if you see, you have to win at the club level, then you have to go up at the area level, division level, district level, international level. So this way, if you are competing with 30,000 Toastmasters who are very good in communication skills, who are very good in leadership skills, that itself shows how you are courage yourself to compete. So these two things are very important when you are participating in the contest. So then coming to the, what are the contests actually? See, in Toastmaster year, if you see, it will start from July to next June, every year. That is a Toastmaster year. In the July to June, we will conduct the 2 sets of contests, every 6 months. And TMI, Toastmaster International, has given guidelines, what are the contests has to conduct, because you know entire world is divided into districts. Ours is considered district 82, South India, Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. In a district, first 6 months they will tell that you conduct in the humorous speech as an evaluation contest. That's what we are starting now. July we starting here. Now we are starting in September onwards club level. It will come up to December level, it will go to district conference. Because after club we have area, division, district. So in district 82, we have selected humorous speech as well as evaluation. What is humorous speech? I think detailed Jacob has given in depth about what is humorous, because humorous speech is not telling about jokes. It has to have a speech which have an opening body and conclude. That's what is telling humorous speech. That must be having thematic nature. Coming to the evaluation contest. Evaluation contest, what happened? Now I think you have seen two speakers given here, advanced speeches, and two evaluators has evaluated those two speeches. In evaluation contest, what will happen? One target speaker will be there. The speaker will come and he will present his topic, 5 to 7 minutes. Then there are contestants. Say from our club, I think next week we have total 13 contestants. So all 13 contestants, they will listen the speech and they will send all 13 outside, and one by one they will call and they will give evaluation. And you can see one speech, you can able to get 10 evaluations. So that is a contest, that part will be only 2 to 3 minutes. Because speech is there, target speech is only 5 to 7 minutes, and each contestant has to give 2 to 3 minutes about the evaluation speech. Then after that we have international speech and table topics. That will come under, again we will start March, it will go up to May. That is called ovation, district conference. Once you win the international speech contest in the district level, they will go to world champion public speaking. Last year happened to be world champion public speaking from our district, Toastmasters Dhananjay. And this year our very own Tamil Nadu K.K. Maditya came up to semi-final, up to final. But he is not able to win the champion. Maybe I am sure next year he will win. So second thing, how actually evaluation contest will be judged. Because if you see, there is a chief judge. All contestants knows only chief judge. Then nobody knows about judges. There are judges hiding in the hall. Maybe 5 judges or 6 judges or 7 judges, depends upon the how chief judge is bringing judges. So they will give the ballot sheet to each judge, and all judges they knows, they are already well aware of what is the evaluation, and they have a EMI guidelines. So this is a guideline. Judging criteria, there are 4 judging items. It is a 4 by 4 mechanism. 4 judging items, and there is a point of scale, there are 4 scales. If you see, first one is analytical quality, second is recommendation, third is technique, fourth is submission. These 4 are very, very important aspects to judge about the evaluation, because you are giving only 2 to 3 minutes speech, and judge has to see how this speaker giving evaluation based on these 4 parameters. Then coming to scale. So they divide into the excellent, very good, good and fair. So this is the criteria. 4 judging items, 4 scale parameters. So these are the scale. If you see excellent, they will get 100 to 100. And very good, maybe anywhere between 60 to 90%. And good is around 40 to 60. And anything less than 50, it will come as a fair. And if you see, it's not easy. Judging criteria is not easy, because there are unbiased, and you have to see each and every parameter you have to give the scale. So that is very important. Now I am going to touch upon what are actually this analytical quality. Anybody can say what is analytical quality? No. Yesterday.
How do you analyze the topic?
Okay. Any other thing? Yesterday Raksha Bandhan Day happened to be because my family wants to go for a movie. I went for a movie. So very good movie, recently released. Entire family 7 members went, and we saw 3 hours movie at most. While coming back, and in the car there is a conversation. Songs are very good, hero is very nice, heroine is very dressed well. Each and one person is giving some comments. And also, my wife also telling, I think ending may be absurd and all those things. All those things are what actually, because I am Toastmasters, I know, because I am driving, I know these guys are already evaluators. Because they saw 3 hours movie and each one is giving one aspect, isn't it? But when you are giving analytical quality, you have to give your strengths and weakness of the speaker. As an evaluator, you have to observe the speaker and you have to see very clear, focused and logical. Because you don't need to see the personality wise, whether it is a Dr. is giving or Ashok is giving, Pat is giving, not like that. As an evaluator, what judge will see? As an evaluator, speaker is not taking any personal things. Based on the speech, how logically he has sequenced the speech, what are the strengths of the speech, what are the weaknesses of the speech, those things you will evaluate, whether you are clear or not. That means analytical quality, because they are giving 40% weightage, that is the effectiveness of the speech. As a judge, you will bring the effectiveness of the speech through analytical quality. And the second thing is recommendation. what are the recommendations? Whether any positive recommendations, specific recommendations, or helpful recommendations. Suppose today I think you have seen two evaluators, they gave some recommendations. I want to come to later that because how you are good in listening, I want to ask you. So any recommendation, suppose somebody might have, speaker would have told, no, I think you would have told like this, you would have shown pop or something, you would have shown some book or something. That type of recommendations based on his understanding, based on this thing. That should be positive because speaker has to come next time and he has to give speech here. So it should be positive recommendation, it should be specific recommendation, and it should be helpful for the speaker. Because the objective of this Toastmaster is mutual understanding, mutual support, to bring everybody as a competent communicators and competent leaders. Then third aspect is technique. Toastmasters International has given very clear guidelines. What are the techniques you have to use by doing the evaluation? It should be sympathetic, sensitive, and motivational. Because some speakers emotionally they are very good in this thing. Because if you are talking something as an evaluator, they will stop coming to meetings. Because they think in front of audience they told something like that. So you should be understand about the speakers. And also at the same time, you have to motivate him. One speech to other speech. Because CC 1 to CC 10 the journey, you have to go on motivating up to one level. After that, don't no need to motivate. They themselves will motivate. So that is one of the important aspects. That is what called the technique. Then finally, is very important this thing. After doing all these three parameters, if you are not summarizing about the speaker, and then I think it won't be effective for the listeners actually. Because you have to summarize. Whatever you are doing, you have to summarize. So that actually they have some weightage, around 15% weightage is there summarizing. Brief, concise and encouraging. I am telling all contestants, don't leave the summarizing part because judges are very important, very keenly watch this one, whether this contestant is summarized or not. Because summarizing will tell you how strong your mind, how strong your ideas connected, how strong you are conveying your message as an evaluation point. So, any of these parameters, if you are missing anything 1%, you will lose contest. So, you have to be very careful of these 4 parameters. Now, coming to the nitty-gritties, because Toastmasters International is international 90 years, we are established, and we have all process in place, all guidelines in place, and all training in place. So, they have very professional way of conducting contests. So, we have ballot, we have ranking, and we have ethics of the judges. See, when you are selecting judges, we will see the judges' ethics, whether it is very sincere or not, and all this, because we should not demotivate any members. So, the ethics and all, they will get the signature from the judges. So, this is a ballot. So, suppose there are 6 or 7 judges are there, and each judge having their own opinion about each speaker, isn't it? So, they will give first place, second place, third place. So, contestant A will give first place, contestant B can give second place, third place, C, contestant C. That judge A. So, judge B may give different things, isn't it? That order may change. There are 5 judges, order will change. Then we have a role player called the ballot tally counters. See, tally counters, what they will do, they will select collect the judges' district coupons and they will go along with the chief judge and they will tally all those things. Who are the first place points? First place they will give 3 points, second place they will give 2 points, third place they will give 1 point. Suppose there are 5 judges, 2 judges, Sudha has given first place, 2 judges they give second place, 1 judge has given third place. Then Sudha got some points, isn't it? So that total tally will come and all contestants they will add. Who are the coming on the top, they will give first place. That doesn't mean one judge has given all the first place, you are first thing. So that's why you are doing all those things. Cross pollination of judges' thinking. It's not like one guy has to judge. And these are the ethics of the judges, code of ethics. So judges should not time the speech because judges know where you connect to timings. Because there is a timing, timer will take care of, chief judge will take care of. Judges not to bother about whether she has finished with 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, like a regular meeting. So that is one of the important things. And it should not be biased because every day I am coming this, every week I am coming this meeting, I know how each member, what are their strengths and what are the areas of improvements. As a judge, if I am doing, I should not know, oh, Sudha is very good speaking. I should not give like that. That day, what is the contest? How she has performed or how Hemant has performed. That is the judge's thing. So you should not be biased. And also, when we are taking as a judge role, so we will give written statement saying that we are not word by deed, by word and deed, and we will follow guidelines. So that's why you will get a very good Toastmasters to the club level contest, and then they will put area around all those things. So this is a very structured way of conducting the contest. Now, before going to these questions, okay, This now I'll leave the floor. If you have any questions on evaluation contest preparation, just go ahead because we don't have time to close the other spot. After that, I come back to Sridhar and our two second evaluation, right? Sheshadri, yeah. So I'm going to tell about how they did because I observed based on these points how they are fit into this guidelines. Any questions?
With example for summation, how to summate.
Yeah, I think unfortunately today both are missing summation. Both Sridhar and Sheshadri, they miss the summation. Because what happened, when you are telling about this thing, evaluation, you are telling about strengths, weakness, recommendation. And all these things when you are giving, you are using technique. There is a sandwich technique. Generally, predominantly people use sandwich technique. Sandwich, how do you play? And the top one layer, bottom one layer, inside there is a R, isn't it? Top is very smooth, bottom is very smooth. So you have to motivate them. Oh, he's a very good speaker, excellent, all those things. And Ra has to put inside. No, you have to improve like this and all those things. Then finally you have to give, oh yeah, overall you are good. I want to see you with good speech next time. So this is sandwich technique. Neither one game maybe take good points, improvement, good points, improvement, good points, improvement. These are the techniques. So when all these things has done, then finally summation you have to tell. Summation you have to tell, okay, I think you are having strength in this area, you have this area of improvement. I am sure you are going to improve this in next speech. Summation you will give. That will close your evaluation. I think unfortunately both speakers today they missed this thing. Then coming to today, and I think I want to, any questions other than summation? Because I want to give some feedback about these two evaluations. Only one question? People may not understand.
Fully understood or never understood at all. Or the hunger.
To making improvements. Sometimes speakers wouldn't like to be told by the audience. So I think you should go separately and then talk to them.
That's what I'm telling. When you're using the technique, sensitive. You have to see, suppose SR Menon is giving, I won't give any improvements. I'm a very good speaker, excellent. But often I give, sir, you have improved.